Gotta be very careful with this getting wet though. But it's what, about 9:45, and it's definitely blowing. See that tree? I'm not going to be out here long because I cannot get this camera wet, and it's definitely not waterproof. Seen some transformers blow. Okay, I'm going to get in because it's starting to get really... But now you can't get a little bit more away from the thing. Yes, he is. Yeah. Can't let this thing get wet.
Okay. Here, let me sit there.
No, you can sit where you want. Well, that lizard's still okay, guys.
Yeah, it's still there.
He's been hanging out here all day.
He won't move.
It's a little after 4, and it's definitely blowing out here quite strongly. No rain at all. You know, earlier it got like really calm, barely any wind, not a lot of rain. I thought it was over like around 12:30. You know, it felt like it was over. I didn't really think it was. And boy, it came back about an hour or so later. You're not going to be able to see the clouds, but you definitely actually do see some sky, like it's breaking up a little bit, at least I think. But boy. No rain at all out here at the moment. So that's why the only reason why I'm out here. Or I wouldn't with this camera, because I can't let it get wet. So I am like an official news reporter, and things keep blowing in my eye, but official news reporter with a light on him. So yeah, woo! It's still blowing pretty hard. Not as bad as earlier, but definitely still pretty fast. The breeze feels great though. The lights have been flickering on and off. One time they went off for like a minute, but haven't lost power yet. I had internet out for like over an hour. It took a while for it to get back. Probably an outage. But, whew. This light is great. So let's see if I can try the yellow one. I think that's a bit more softer. I already know this is really messing up with the microphone. I need to get a dead cat. I'm an idiot for not getting it. And to make the sound a lot better. But, just out here. I'll just show you a little bit. Let me turn around. You don't want to see my face. I got a lot of yard work still to get done. They're going back with those tall trees. See how they're blowing back there. Maybe I will, as long as it's not raining. Well, this light shows. Part of the fence definitely blew off. Ooh, woo. I'm not gonna be out here too long. This is definitely blowing out here. Let me see. On my other light. It's a little bit brighter, whiter. Ooh. Wow. Looks like there's definitely a mess back here. Looks like a big tree limb broke off. I'm not going to go underneath these trees because, oh, and I am underneath it, so something fell over there. I got to check later. But Yeah, I gotta be careful because I'm still under it, and I don't want one of those pieces to fall off. That would be very bad. Let's see no more over here. So I don't want to be too much here. A little bit of a mess. A lot of little branches. This light is great. I can see a lot with this. But I won't lie, I got pretty nervous earlier. It was blowing really hard, shaking the windows, and got a little concerned. And it damaged part of the ceiling in the front porch. I had to get that fixed. And it blew off a cover panel on not quite an electrical box, but something for the cable over here on the wall, but you don't need to see that. So, as far as I know, this one part of this fence broke off. Take care of that more later. The neighbor's mailbox got blown off. So far not too bad, I guess you could say. Could have been a lot worse. Still definitely blowing. Yeah, I mean, hurricanes are definitely scary. Let me turn this off for a little bit, give you the more night vibe. I actually do see some stars poking through, so this is breaking up. Yeah, see, you can see some stars. That's a good sign, that's a good thing. Oh, my poor car. I know, I hate having you out here, but just didn't want to take the chance with the garage door not being able to open. That's the wind. It sounds better to me than it does to you. It says left or forward, and I filmed a little piece earlier, which you'll see first. Show this in a short. It blew off part of the ceiling. That's into the attic. There and there. I don't think it broke or anything. I think it just needs to be pushed back in. But I'm probably going to have to get someone to do that, because I have no idea how to do those things. And I don't even know if it's worth calling the insurance, because they'll probably say there's the deductible, you know. And then that one panel with something to do with the cable, I have to get the cable company to fix that, but you know, they'll do that. Definitely hear some frogs. Sounds like they're right here in the porch with me. Sometimes baby alligators sound exactly like that too. This porch is a mess. I have to clean it from all these plants. Okay, I just want to film this. I won't probably get this up till after the hurricane passes. I don't want to dare get on my computer and film this, or I mean upload it, because with the power keep going on, I've actually unplugged it because just in case. But this is just a little extra video, I guess. Been trying to do updates and let everyone know how it's going here in Central Florida with the hurricane. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. I'm not sure I'll do more of these longer form videos. I may do a few more shorts, but we'll see.